Hello everyone, here in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I'm going to show you how you can restore paint on car carpets. So we have four different parts from rear and drivers and passengers, and you see that the paint is no longer good, and here we don't have paint at all, so I want to put a Lexus logo over here. So what we would need an acrylic paint for that, and we would need a 2mm plywood. I already made some demo on a test carpet. I used white acrylic, and yes, let's get started and let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so we have a Lexus logo, and Lexus just in one word. This logo can be found in internet, and we will upload on our website. So as you see the exact design how it should look like, then we just used tracing, and we have everything that is ready. Okay, we will use a 30-watt CO2 Thermoflux laser. So let me show you our previous experiment. So this is 2mm plywood, and we put some masking tape on the opposite side. Yeah, I like Thermoflux because now it scans the worktop, and we have it. Let me show you. So it scans it, so just where we'll have our logo. Okay, looks good, and we're ready to get started. Don't forget to use foam extractor, because once you cut plywood, it'll make some dust and smoke. So we put it outside air ventilation. So we did it like this. Okay, let's get started, and let's do laser cutting. It'll take about 3 minutes 30 seconds. Okay guys, I just forgot to tell you something. We need to put masking tape just before laser cutting. We avoided our laser cut, and we just put masking tape, because otherwise we will not be able to remove it. So that's very critical, and as you know, we always do live videos, live demos, so sorry for this back step. Okay, looks good, and we'll do another attempt of laser cutting. Okay, we'll start once again. So take, like I said, about a few minutes, and you see the smoke is appearing once you cut it. And make sure that you cut, you clean, you keep your lens clean. We just suggest using pure alcohol for that. And the good thing about Biamo that you already have pre-set up parameters for cutting, so you don't need to set up speed and power. Everything is ready. So like I said, we're using 2mm light plywood. We call it laser ply. This one we did before. So yeah, I also want to remind you that you can also upgrade your Biamo with diode laser for metal engraving and add DPSS. Oh, sorry, for metal etching and add DPSS laser for metal engraving and metal marking. We made a special design folder also available on our Thingiverse, this 3D printed model for mounting the laser, and we also use metal one that I showed on my another video. So yeah, let me get back once everything is cut. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, and our tape, masking tape, was also cut. Okay, almost ready. So the most important and accurate procedure, just to make sure that we put exactly how it should be on our previous paint, and we need to cover the rest of the carpet with a masking tape. Okay, so the most important procedure, spraying with the paint. So now we need to wait for about 10, maybe 20 minutes. So we need to wait another 4 minutes and we will remove and see the result. Okay folks, let's see the result. We're a little bit excited. So you never know what you get once you do it for first time. Okay, voila. Come on. Let's do that. I'm excited like I'm on SpaceX shuttle taking to the moon. But you never know. We're doing good. Yeah, I think it looks good. But let's make sure nothing breaks. Okay. Yeah, so this is the result. So we'll do with hand because manually those parts, but everything looks good. I mean, it's much better than it was before. Not a new carpet, but it's like almost 20 years old carpet, so not bad at all. So hope that you liked this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe on our channel Endurance Lasers, visit our website endurancelasers.com, and you can learn more about Biamo on Ultimate 3D Printing store. They sell these machines and you can get our upgrades, diode and DPSS laser. Visit also our online store endurance-lasers.com, and if you have any questions, email me gf@endurancerobots.com, and my phone is +7 916 225 432. And enjoy, and now you can restore your old paint on your car carpet. Take care guys, bye bye.